Let's transfer Sol on Solana using Rust. We start with our imports. From Solana client, we bring in the RPC client for communicating with the network. From Solana SDK, we import keypair for generating wallets, transaction for building transactions, and lamports per Sol for unit conversion. From Solana system interface, we import the transfer instruction. We create an RPC connection to a local validator with confirmed commitment. Next, we generate two key pairs, a sender and a recipient. We fund the sender with an airdrop of 1 Sol, then loop until the transaction is confirmed. We check both balances before the transfer to confirm the starting state. We define the transfer amount as 0.01 Sol, which is lamports per Sol divided by 100. Now we create the transfer instruction. It takes the sender's public key, the recipient's public key, and the amount. We build a new transaction with the transfer instruction, setting the sender as fee payer. Then we fetch the latest block hash and sign the transaction. We send the transaction using send and confirm transaction, which submits it and waits for confirmation. After the transfer, we check both balances again and print everything to the console. When we run this code, here's the output. Sender started with 1 Sol, now has 0.99. Recipient received 0.01. The small difference is the transaction fee paid to the network. That's how you transfer Sol on Solana using Rust.